Happy 18th birthday to my incredible son AJ. Today marks not only a celebration of your journey into adulthood, but also a testament to your strength, resilience, and boundless potential. From the moment you came into this world, you were full of laughter, curiosity, and endless energy. You have navigated challenges and triumphs. You remember in a middle school when the principal did try convince me to put you on ADHD medication just because you did full of energy. She said you're too hyper. Hallelujah. To this day, I recall how me did look her up and down. I mean, no top talk Jamaican and the people in office to the point where we forget so they never understand what me I say. Look at you now, my son. Your only competition is you. But what a journey it has been. Your relentless determination, creativity, and passion have defied any limitation that diagnosis may have suggested. Today, as I reflect on the amazing person you've become, I am filled with overwhelming pride and joy. You come a long way, you know, boy. You have thrived. Your kindness and compassion to others is evident. You've proven time and time again that labels can never define your true potential. And must mama selva your mama. As you step into adulthood, know that the world is yours to conquer. Embrace every opportunity. Run after your dream them. But with God at the forefront, and never let anything dim your spirit. And like me always tell you, you always have to remember for prayer. You are a remarkable individual with so much to offer the world. I can't wait to see your journey. Hallelujah. Happy 18th birthday, AJ Pepin. May this year be filled with even more love, laughter, and endless possibilities. Me love you, you know, boy. Me say me love you. How words can't express. Cheers to you, my son, and the incredible future ahead. Me say me love you like a fresh vegetable. And Mama Silva, I am mother. Happy birthday, my son.